Close to being done. Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Imran Jallo. Before we get started, I would like to ask a simple question. If I were to ask a random person to give a proper definition of minimum wage, there's a good chance they wouldn't be able to give a proper answer. Minimum wage is the lowest wage permitted by law or special agreement. Moving right into it, I believe that educating people on this matter may help change the amount or way minimum wage is decided. Now, the national minimum wage was created by Congress under the Fair Labor Standards Act in 1938. The purpose of minimum wage was to stabilize the post-depression economy and protect the workers in the labor force. This would reduce the amount of money paid to workers, but give the state more money to work with after the depression. Now, minimum wage is not compulsory, and jobs are not required to pay you higher than this amount, but they cannot go any lower. The minimum wage rate is also a difficult debate about raising the amount. The current amount is $7.25 an hour, and the amount sought after is $15 an hour. To maintain their relevance, minimum wage rate levels need to be adjusted from time to time. The minimum wage was designed to create a minimum standard of living to protect the health and well-being of employees. Now, a balanced and evidence-based approach is necessary which considers on one hand the needs of the workers and their families, and on the other the economic factors. Raising the federal minimum wage to $15 an hour would improve the overall standard of living for minimum wage workers. These workers would more easily afford their monthly expenses such as rent, car payments, and other expenses. But this may lead to less money for the state and the government to work with. All of this information may be useful depending on your situation in your workplace. This can allow everyone to understand the history and the thoughts on the matter. Thank you for taking your time to listen to me. I still believe that if the audience is well informed on this matter, they will be able to make decisions whether to change things as they are and how they will affect the minimum wage in the future. Before I go, I would like to let you know that your choices with this information may have a larger impact on society than you may currently realize. I am Imran Jallo. Thank you for giving me your time today. Goodbye.